Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Apologies on the sound. I am currently filming in Brooklyn and there is about 87 trucks outside, an ambulance, a crying baby, and everything in between going on. So I'm gonna try to bang this video out and hopefully the audio is not trash. But today's video is gonna be a little different. It is a tech video. It is something that I definitely wanna start doing more for you guys because my life is technology. If it's not my phone, it's my camera. If it's not my camera, it's my laptop. And I'm always buying like these little things from Amazon and Best Buy and like all these camera stores to make my life and my content better. So I definitely wanted to share that with you guys because a lot of you ask like what camera I use and like what other tech gadgets I have to make my life easier. So I definitely want to share that with you guys. So if you like these videos, let me know. Comment, like, subscribe, the whole spiel, and let's get right into this video. First up is my camera that I have been using ever since I started in 2015. It is a Canon, it is a T5i Rebel. I love it. I've been using it for so many years. It has never steered me wrong. I'm filming right now on my iPhone XS Max, which is also amazing and it's a favorite too. But I love this because it's a flip out screen. I do a lot of my content and a lot of my video content on this camera. It's great. I have the kit lens, the Canon zoom lens. It just has literally never steered me wrong. It's so great. The content on it that I make is super clear. It's really easy to use. Canon cameras I feel like are a lot easier than any other camera. You can change the lens. The battery life I wish was a little bit better, but I feel like when you're like filming for 3 hours, your battery's bound to die. But I love this camera. It's amazing. It takes great photos and it takes great videos. I bought it in like a big giant kit. So it had like memory cards, like it came with a tripod, a bunch of stuff, but it was so long ago. But I'm gonna try to find a similar link for you guys because this camera is amazing and a lot of you guys ask what I use. And yeah, I've been using this forever. So it is an old favorite, staple in my content creation. Next is a recent new purchase. It is my Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. This is my little tiny vlogging camera. I love it. It cost me about like 700 bucks on Amazon. I also bought it in a little kit. I love it because it has a flip up screen. It's a lot easier to vlog. It fits in my bag. It's not heavy. I can't really carry my DSLR, especially when I travel, unless I really need it. But this guy is just amazing. I need to get a case for it though. But I'm gonna link this as well because I recently bought this before I went to Utah. And so far I'm loving the content that I got on it, and it has Wi-Fi capabilities, which is also really great. It's just a really great camera. The quality is really good and the video content is really good and the photos are really good. I'm just really happy about this purchase because it's like one of my favorite. Okay, next is another recent favorite. It is my Dell Frost XPS laptop. Guys, this thing is beautiful and it's touch screen. It's gorgeous. They have it in like rose gold and I think like maybe like a silver. I'm not really sure. I love this because y'all, like, first of all, sound and like music and photo and video on here is amazing. I think it's called like Cinema Sound, Cinema Stream, and like Cinema Color because like I don't have it. It's actually dead right now because I don't have my charger with me, but it is like super easy to use. I put all my photos and all my video on here because it has like 16 gigabytes and like 2 terabytes of storage. So it's so easy for me to just transfer all of my stuff and keep it on here because my last laptop, I didn't have a lot of space. So it was really hard to work. And I think it's just a really great, like creative laptop, but it's like super easy to use. It's super durable and super lightweight. So I can carry it in my bag and I won't like kill my back, which is amazing. And that was my problem with my last laptop. I was carrying it everywhere and it was killing my back, but this is like super lightweight. It's super fast. It's just a really great laptop. And I think it's, like I said, it's really great for creatives because like the sound and the color and the memory is like excellent. Next, moving on to an old favorite. I have the iPad Mini 4. It's so great because it's just, when I have no space on my phone or I don't have my laptop with me, I can just bring this with me, which makes my life so much easier. And it's just like a regular iPad, and it's just great to have, especially when you won't want to carry around your laptop. Next is the tripod that I'm actually using. I got it on Amazon, so I'm gonna take my phone off of it really quick and just show you it because it's like this really cool, like spider leg Joby tripod. This is the tripod that I'm using. The piece up here that's attached, it didn't come with it. It came with another one, but I misplaced it. So I'm using this other one that I got from Amazon as well. But I love this tripod because it can hold my DSLR, it can hold my Canon, it can hold my iPhone. It's super heavy duty and the legs like kind of stretch out and bend. So you can put it anywhere, place it anywhere. It's great for traveling. And like I said, it's very heavy duty. So it holds like any camera you have. So it's just like a really great investment, a little on the pricier side, but I'm gonna link it and then you guys make your decision because I feel like tripods and techie stuff is like an investment. So you kind of should spend that little extra dollar. Okay, last but not least, y'all, I think every creative, freelancer, photographer, content creator, whatever you are, needs a portable charger. I think I have about like 12 because I'm always using them. This one is from Abacon, I don't know how to pronounce this, but it's amazing. It lasts forever. I charge it overnight and I think I can get like maybe 3 charges out of it. And I think it was probably like $15 to $20, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm gonna link it below. They have like black, red. I don't know why I got the red one because I usually get like chargers in black, but it's a little on the heavier side, but it lasts like a really long time. And I think this is like a must have for if you are a creative, because your phone, your computer, your tablet, everything's always dying. So definitely invest in a portable charger if you do not have one. It is amazing and life-changing. So guys, that is it for my favorite tech product video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. And if you guys have any favorite tech products that you use to create content and it makes your life easier, definitely share them below because I'm always looking to buy new stuff to make content creation a breeze. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video.